Welcome back. Now we can interface between Google Docs and Microsoft Word. And if we were to go to a Google Doc and open up a blank document, all we would need to do in order to bring in our content from Microsoft Word is to go to this File command. We would then need to go to the Open command. We would then go to the Upload command. We would then select a file from our computer. And then we can select our file that we're going to bring into Google Docs. We'll click Open. Google Docs will then upload the document. It will do the conversion for us into Google Docs. Now we can go through the exact opposite process for a document that's already in Google Docs. So assuming we have this document from Google Docs, all we would need to do is to go to our File command. We would then need to download the document as a Microsoft Word document. And we can then save the document in our file. Once it's on our hard drive, we can open up the document as a Microsoft Word document. And you'll see the document available here. We can enable editing, and we are then ready to begin working with our document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.